Hey guys, there's an issue that isn't working correctly for me in Blender version 4.5.1. I'm not sure whether it's an actual bug or if I'm missing some settings, but I found a solution. First, let me show you the issue I'm talking about. Let me first delete the cube. Let's add a plane which will be my object for cell fracture. I will extrude it to give it some thickness. Then let's do apply all transform. Now let's select annotate pencil, and I will start drawing my lines for cell fracture. Oops, make sure you draw on surface of the object. So let me delete this one and start again. Okay, now keep the object selected and go to Object Settings. Quick Effects, and then Cell Fracture. Select Annotation Pencil. Keep everything default and I will give some name for the collection in which my cell objects will be saved. And then click on OK. Now as you can see here, this is the issue I was facing. It doesn't give expected result. It just divides the object in 8 square pieces. Let me hide the original object. Yes, now you can see clearly. Now let's look at the solution for this. I will delete everything. I will repeat the process of adding the object. Now select the Annotate pencil, and just scribble something on the object. Just a little. Now I will name this scribble as old. I will add a new layer and name it new. And hide the old one. Make sure new layer is selected. And now I will start drawing something for my cell fracture reference. And then I will go to Object Setting, Quick Effects, Cell Fracture. Make sure Annotation Pencil is selected. My collection name is Cells, and then click on OK. Now I am getting the desired result. You can hide the annotation pencil layers, or if you want you can delete them as well, because we have already got the cells. That's it guys. If you liked this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.